The vehicle really has roadside appeal and a real presence, and this is emphasised by the LED arrowhead headlights. I'd just like to talk about the interior and the cockpit. All Lexuses, the interior are designed to reduce driver fatigue, so it's not uncommon for me to drive from Manchester to Edinburgh in the same day, and at the end of the day and at the end of the journey I can get out of the car and I can still be refreshed. Just want to talk about the load space. As you can see, the boot benefits from a massive 454 litre load space capacity, and the vehicle really has bold design, emphasised again by the legendary Takumi craftsmanship. CO2 emissions from 119 grams, P11D from £35,680, and benefit in kind at 27%, which means a 20% taxpayer will pay £160 per month and a 40% taxpayer will pay £321. Yeah, this vehicle has amazing MPG, and in my next video I'll demonstrate how this can be achieved.